Hi, I'm Guber, and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic. Today, we'll be making durian mac and cheese. Yes, mac and cheese, but with durian.
Durian.
If you're not familiar, durian is a thorny fruit with a creamy, sweet flesh accompanied by a very strong scent. And I mean very strong, to the extent that the Singaporean metro train has given it a soft ban. While some don't like the strong odor they describe as turpentine and onions garnished with a gem sock, others, like myself, find the sweet custardy fragrance pleasant and a bit addictive. It's a type of fruit that you either love it or hate it. Let me know in the comments below if you're either team durian or anti-durian. No judge. Interestingly, it shares a lot of characteristics with cheese. Some cheeses, such as mozzarella, brie, or ricotta, embody a creamy texture with a milder scent, while others, such as Parmigiano Reggiano and blue cheese, emit a stronger and more polarizing scent. Given the similarities, it seems fitting to combine both durian and cheese to create a harmonious and fragrant dish. And with that, let's get started. Let's start with making the macaroni. It's best to follow the instructions attached to the packet of your dry macaroni. Heat a medium pot of water on high until it comes to a boil. Add 1 1/4 cup of elbow macaroni and boil for around 5 minutes or until al dente, stirring occasionally. Once it's done, drain it and put it aside. Then we move on to making the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a small saucepan on medium heat. Once the butter begins to turn brown, add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, whisking constantly until it begins to simmer and thickens to a paste. Slowly whisk 1 cup of whole milk into the roux. Continue to whisk until the sauce has no lumps and is the consistency of thick cream. Add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract into the warm sauce and give it a little mix. Set it aside to cool until it's room temperature. This is to prevent the eggs from being cooked in the next step. In a standing mixing bowl on low speed, add half a cup of room temperature cream cheese, 1 egg, half a cup of durian flesh, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix until it's smooth. Remember to scrape the bowl. Then add the cooled white sauce to the durian cream cheese mixture and mix until it forms a batter. Afterwards, add the cooked elbow macaroni to the batter. Then pour the batter into a well-buttered casserole dish and sprinkle a 1/4 cup of sweetened coconut flakes on top. Place it in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes or until it becomes golden brown, slightly puffed, and the custard is set in the center. Once it's done, take it out and let it rest for 5 minutes. And there you have it! A hearty serving of dessert mac and cheese infused with the creamy aromatic durian along with the crunchy coconut flakes topping. Delicious! I hope you enjoyed grubbing with me, Guber. If you did, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you here next time on Anything But Authentic.